If you're running a small business or a freelancer, choosing the right time tracking software is crucial. QuickBooks and Bonsai are two popular options, but when it comes to time tracking, which one truly stands out? Stick around as we dive into the features of both, highlighting their strengths, weaknesses, and, most importantly, where they could improve. Stay tuned because by the end, I'll give you my top recommendation for a better alternative that could change the way you manage time. Let's start with QuickBooks. As one of the most well-known accounting software tools, QuickBooks does offer time tracking, but it's not its strongest feature. QuickBooks integrates with other tools to track time, but its built-in system feels a bit limited for those who rely heavily on time tracking. The layout is functional, but it's not the most intuitive. Time tracking is available in both desktop and online versions, but if you're using the self-employed version, you'll need to upgrade for advanced features. Plus, it's not the most user-friendly for freelancers, as it's more tailored to businesses with employees. Next thing, let's talk about invoicing. Both QuickBooks and Bonsai have invoicing features, but QuickBooks excels here. It's an accounting powerhouse, so it seamlessly connects time entries to invoices, making it easy to bill clients directly for hours worked. However, while invoicing is great, this feature can be overkill if all you need is time tracking. For freelancers, this could be a bit too much if you don't need all the extra accounting features QuickBooks offers. So, in this case, QuickBooks might be a bit more than what you're looking for if time tracking is your main focus. Now, shifting to Bonsai. Bonsai was specifically designed for freelancers, and it shows in its time tracking system. It's simple, sleek, and intuitive. You can easily start and stop timers for each project, and tracking billable hours is straightforward. It allows you to create detailed reports for specific clients or projects. If you're a freelancer, Bonsai offers a far more user-friendly time tracking experience compared to QuickBooks. One of the standout features is its automation. You can set up automatic reminders for time entries, making it less likely you'll forget to track your hours. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. QuickBooks integrates well with a variety of tools, which is perfect if you need an all-in-one solution. You can sync with everything from payroll systems to tax software, making it the better option for businesses with complex financial needs. However, if your main goal is simply time tracking, Bonsai is less overwhelming and offers better integration with tools freelancers actually use, like Google Calendar and Slack. Let's talk about pricing. QuickBooks might seem like the obvious choice for anyone already using it for accounting, but the time tracking feature is locked behind more expensive plans. If you're just after time tracking, you could end up paying for a lot of features you don't need. Bonsai, on the other hand, has more straightforward pricing, and their time tracking feature is available in the most basic plan. It's ideal for freelancers who want to keep costs low and only pay for what they need. Next thing, reporting. QuickBooks offers extensive reports that go beyond time tracking, allowing you to analyze finances, taxes, and other metrics. It's great for larger businesses, but might feel overwhelming if all you need is a clean and simple report for your hours worked. Bonsai keeps it simple with detailed reports that focus solely on time and invoices. If you're looking for detailed reports that break down your hours by client or project, Bonsai's reporting is clean, concise, and perfect for freelancers. So, after reviewing both, it's clear that QuickBooks and Bonsai are solid options, but for time tracking alone, Bonsai wins hands down. It's tailored for freelancers, offering a streamlined experience without all the extra noise. QuickBooks does have its merits, especially if you need a full accounting solution, but if time tracking is your main goal, Bonsai's simplicity and focus are hard to beat. Now, both QuickBooks and Bonsai are solid tools, but after trying them both myself, if you want a better alternative that focuses purely on time tracking, check out the first link in the description. You'll get an exclusive free trial and benefits only available to our viewers. Take advantage of this offer and see how this tool can help you track your time more efficiently without all the complexity of the others. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below, start your free trial today, and improve your time management.